Sometimes you don't have motivation to learn Igbo or to speak Igbo. It's okay. That's life. It happens. Ndewo keke ime. Ihe m chọrọ ikwu wo ịgwa unu maka motivation, okay? So I want to talk about motivation, okay? So in the past 2 weeks or so, my Facebook group, I have been inactive, okay? So this is a group I started, but somehow I just sort of seem to fall off the face of the earth from that group. And I'm on YouTube, I'm here on YouTube, you see me like every week, but in that group, no, and the reason, no particular reason, honestly, it was just that days I was meant to post, which is normally Tuesdays I post, and then sometimes another day, at least 2 or 3 times in a week, but I think I just missed the first Tuesday, and then the next thing you knew, the next Tuesday came, I was like, oh, I'm tired, later. And before you knew it, 2 weeks had gone, I hadn't posted anything. Okay, I just want to thank God for people that are posting for me. So I think what I would say, it was motivation issue, okay? Can't really pinpoint what happened. I said that I just didn't want to post. I didn't feel like posting, so I let it go. What brought me out of that state? That's another question. Okay, so I watched some motivational videos on YouTube. When them again on YouTube, like Tom Bellew, John Locke, and some other people. So also I was praying as well, because I do sort of this little short prayers, will help me God in a marker. Now I'm back. Thank God I'm back. So what I'm saying is, sometimes you don't have motivation to learn Igbo or to speak Igbo. It's okay. That's life. It happens. Okay? The important thing is to get back up. Sometimes you can get back up immediately. Sometimes it takes you 2 days, 1 week, maybe 1 month. The important thing is to get back up, like I said, okay? And get somebody maybe to keep you accountable. I think because this group also, I'm sort of the founder, I had to sort of go back. Maybe if I was just a member, a follower, I may not have gone back, who knows? But because I was a founder, I had the responsibility to keep it going. Okay, so maybe find something that will make you accountable. So as you're speaking or learning Igbo, so maybe start a video series. You can even start a YouTube channel about your journey learning Igbo, so that you know when you forget or when you're feeling tired, you remember there are people that are waiting to hear your journey, and then you continue. Okay, so declare your goal out there to maybe via YouTube, Facebook, or wherever, to your family, so that when you're not very motivated, and you remember that there are some people you've told about it, you've also maybe set yourself a challenge somewhere, and ultimately you get up. Okay, and if you're like me, you can also make short prayers and ask God, please help me Nyaramaka. Okay, that's it from me today. Hodi, that's Igbo.